Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma.
But I'm starting to run, guys. Let me go inside.
County in central Oklahoma. Cleveland County in central Oklahoma. Southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma. West central Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma. McLean County in central Oklahoma until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the leading edge of winds from a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from near Oklahoma City to 5 miles west of Valley Brook to 4 miles southeast of Mustang, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: golf ball size hail has been observed near Yukon and Mustang. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore City, Del City, Newcastle, Blanchard, Purcell, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, The Village, Noble, Tuttle, Slaughterville, Nichols Hills, Lexington, Goldsby, and Valley Brook. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Doubleheader! Oh my goodness! Doubleheader!
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the leading edge of winds from a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from near Edmond to near Oklahoma City, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. The radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Oklahoma City, Edmond,